So, wow, it's already 11:39. I hope I'll be able to do what I want to do. Because I have to go back to check and I haven't checked. I mean, the room is not available until 2, so I have to come back. I just got out from St. Christopher Inn. That's where my hostel is. So I'm just showing you the buildings. The infrastructure, the buildings, the architecture. So I'm going to the Hong Alexon or the Invalides, is that right? Palace or hotel. It's near the Eiffel Tower, and then I'll be walking to the Eiffel Tower. So first I try to Google Map and I try to charge a little at the hostel before coming out because I need a little battery that will take, a few hours before I come back to the hostel to charge. So I have to take Metro 4, M4 and M8. So 2 metros because there's no just single metro going to the Honolulu. I don't know where I should go. Oh, metro, yeah. I think I see it, the metro. Wow, Paris is dirty. Oh my gosh. So, I can now relate why they say it's dirty. Oh my gosh, there's a lot of cigarettes. Natatakot ako kasi dalawa yung hawak ko. Yung mga pickpocketers dito. Tingnan mo yung phone ko kasi. Hindi ko siya pwedeng, I have to keep it handy. Hindi ko siya pwede itago sa bag because andito yung direction about the metro or information about the metro. So hawak ko din siya. Ang gagawin metro. So this is the first time that I'm going to take a metro. But I also have to buy a ticket first. Gusto ko mag 24-hour pero baka bukas na or try lang muna natin kung single ticket kasi baka mamaya maglakad-lakad lang din ako so baka hindi ko masyado magamit kung mag 24-hour agad ako hindi naman ako sasakay ng madami. So I believe this is the M4, tama ba? I hope so, hindi ko sure. M4 to M8. Yes, M4. Okay, so hindi ba rin ako kasi nakikita yung turret niya, yung Eiffel Tower, but ayun, may pila nga. Bakit kasi dalawa lang yung ticketing machine? Why? Okay. So, tickets. Nagtanong ako kanina dun sa kahit ka daw mag-change ng metro station, it's only one ticket. Basta wag ka lang parang lalabas dun sa station. You have to find a way to connect to the other station inside the station. So ayan. English, I don't understand yet. Ano daw? Oh, okay. Buti nilang I accidentally, so kailangan pala tayo English, tapos English. So ano na, next is this? Oh, this one. English, okay. You don't have a Navigo pass. Turn the roller and press valido. Yeah, I don't have a Navigo pass. Okay. I don't have a Navigo. Okay, so metro ticket lang. Tama ba? Tapos, one ticket full fare. 190. Okay. Validate. Total payable 190. Accepted bank card. Insert credit card. Hala pa. I don't have a card. I think this is only for credit card. I'm sorry. Oh my gosh, there's no funds. So, punta tayo sa ibang machine. Ay, credit card lang siya eh. Ano ba yun? Ayos naman. Oh, perfect. Gusto na sana. Actually, the metro ticket for one full fare here is cheaper than in Vienna. Nagsabi yan to. Next. How do I go? Is it touchscreen? In Vienna, it's 240. Here, it's 190. Place or Navigo pass. I don't have a Navigo pass. Ticket. Full fare. 10 tickets. 16. Ang ganda ba yung isa? Ito na muna. 1.9. Validate. Total payable Accepted coins, okay. So, okay, buti na lang may tuloy. So here, yung coins na ba? Coins, tapos dun yung notes. Coins. 2 euro. Hala, paano ko? Hello, how do I put the coin?
This?
Yeah, it's not.
No. Try again. Try again.
Okay. Oh my gosh, why? Are you kidding me? Oh, it's French. Vendredi is, I think it's, ayan, usually mo quantity, choose quantity 1. Nag-French na nga. Sige, go. Valid. Okay. Ayan, nilagay ko na. Voulez-vous Enrico? Oh my gosh! What is that? Wait. Yes? Okay, give me a ticket and a change. Alright, so 10 cents I think. Kasi 190. Okay, so perfect. Finally, may ticket na. Grabe nung petsa na, hindi pa ako nakapunta sa and of all. So ayun, this is our ticket. Gusto ko lang kasama ko.
Every Monday to Thursday, 10:15 p.m. Every Sunday morning.
Ah, okay, so where am I going? I'm going to... What station is that? Hindi ko alam. Yung connecting ng M4 at M8. M8. Strasbourg the song dito. Ang daming stairs. Oh my gosh! Wait. I missed it. So, parang station na ba? Saan ba tayo? Wala man lang you are here. Ito. M4 to M8. Tama, M4 to M8. Oh, naguguluhan na ako. Wait lang. Tingnan ko dito. So, we're going to Whirlwind. First time ko sasakay sa metro. Sana pwede mag-vlog sa metro or at least mag-camera. Wait lang naman. Ayoko sa mata o dito tayo. Pagkakon ka naman. So, hindi ko alam kung saan ako bababa. Buti na lang may ano dyan. Ang haba niyan. M8 is Strasbourg Son. Doon na. Strasbourg Son din, no? Doon ako bababa. Ang haba ng train. Saan na tama? Wait lang. Saan tayo? Gabo. 1, 2, 3. 3 stations. So, I have to wait for 3 stations. For 3 stations, tapos baba. Strasbourg Son. Yung confirm Sunday. Sunday. Pero Dennis yung spelling. Sorry, fell. M8. There. M8. Tama. I have to connect to M8. There. Pasikat-sikat ng mission. Dalawa pa yung hindi ko alam kung saan ako pupunta. Kasi dalawang end siya. Oh my gosh. M8 is going to Bala. Retail? Asan yun? Ang hirap po. Wait lang. Asan ba na? Eat siya, di ba? Bala. Yun yung bala. Doon. Dito ata. Kasi may ano eh. Oh, tama. May invalidates. So, dito. M8. M9. Bakit? Bigat-bigat yung mga station nila. Bababa, aakyat. Ano ba talaga? M8. Ito. Ano ba ito? Balaw. Oh boy. Are you kidding me right now? Para tayong nasa maze. Ang daming liko-liko. Bala. Right? Strasbourg song din, no? Yung pag-pronounce nila ng Saint Denis. Denis yun. Saint Duno. I guess I have to wait here. Tapos ilang station? Mamaya na nga. Ayan na. Yung train. Sa Invalides tayo.